Hello dear friends, thank you for watching this video. At SprutCAM Tech here in Cyprus, we create the best software products for programming CNC machines and industrial robots. Our products are known for their ease of use and learning, as well as offering powerful CAD/CAM functionality to solve the most complex and creative production tasks. Today, SprutCAM X is comprised of 3 million lines of code, decades of expertise, and a flawless UI/UX. We are helping over 18,000 users from different industries and countries to automate programming for any production equipment, ranging from simple lathe and 3-axis milling machines to advanced hybrid centers, as well as production lines, which include several 6-axis industrial robots. In this video, we will tell you about the new 17th version of SprutCAM X and SprutCAM X robot and demonstrate the project library, a brand new cloud-based application in our ecosystem. Allow me to begin with the platform enhancements that will increase efficiency and speed for each of our software users. In version 17, we have introduced the multi-project workflow. It is basically the ability to work with multiple projects simultaneously. This can be done within a single window or by arranging projects in different windows for a multi-display workstation. If a user initiates toolpath calculation for the project, they can continue working on another project as usual, without wasting time waiting for the toolpath calculation to complete. Furthermore, copying operations on the fly from one project to another is now available. Our distributor in Germany has already appreciated this new feature, and I will pass the floor to Andreas Reitz.
Thank you, Andre. Greetings, everyone. CAD/CAM system Datentechnik Reitz is a provider of the SprutCAM X software in Germany, serving over 500 clients. Quality, reliability, wide functionality, and affordability are valued by industrial enterprises in Germany. We are delighted to announce the latest feature in version 17 of SprutCAM X, the multi-project function. This feature will enhance the system existing advantages and improve the software efficiency. With the ability to work on several projects simultaneously in separate tabs, copy operations from other projects, and save valuable working time, we believe this update will provide greater synergy and benefits to our customers. Now, back to Andre. Andre will tell you more.
Let's continue. A common issue with all CAM systems is the undo operation. Due to technological reasons, implementation of such a functionality is not a trivial task for a CAM software. But I have a good news for you. In SprutCAM X17, we have reinvented the undo for CAM. Please welcome the snapshots. Snapshots open up the possibility to save project states and manage them via Snapshot Manager. For example, if a user accidentally deletes an operation from the CAM tree, it can now be easily restored. In the new version of SprutCAM X, we have introduced the machine setup file. It's a new file type that contains data about the digital twin of the machine and its setup, including the list of positions of cutting tools, clamps, and auxiliary devices. Now, when starting a project from scratch, you can load the required setup data with a single click, or transfer this data from one project to another. All this significantly reduces the time which is required for project preparation, especially for typical projects. Let's move to my favorite topic, the interface. Our interface through which users interact with the system is the source of pride for us and also serves as a benchmark for the entire CAD/CAM industry. My colleague Maria will tell you about our approach to improving UI and UX.
Indeed, our UX/UI specialists invest a lot of time studying how users actually work in SprutCAM X. We collect user statistics, receive direct feedback, and observe how people start using SprutCAM X immediately after training. This forms the foundation for creating the right user experience. Our main principle in interface design is less is better. In theory, it sounds simple, but it becomes extremely complex task when dealing with CAD/CAM software that has thousands of commands and functions. Throughout the entire history of our software's development, we have done everything possible to make the user interface as simple and lightweight as possible. Over the past couple of years, we have taken the next step and started refining the interface to make it natural and user-friendly for the human eye. What is the most pleasing for the human eye? The answer is nature. We drew inspiration from colors of separate nature: the sea, sand, sun, and rocks. Starting from version 16, we began introducing completely new colors using natural themes in the interface in the balanced manner. In version 17, many secondary windows, such as machine control panel, were redefined and brought to the unified style. The updated smart hints have become more interactive and understandable. They make things obvious and help new users navigate through the hundreds of technological parameters. We strive for every moment of working in SprutCAM X to bring users joy and satisfaction, while also contributing to less fatigue and increased productivity. So let's move on to one of the leading industrial exhibitions for comments from our French dealer. Let's hear from Philippe.
Bonjour. We are currently in Lyon, where our team is presenting the SprutCAM X software at Global Industry, one of the most important industrial exhibitions in France. While powerful functionality is important for any CAM system, we French take particular pride in beauty and sophistication. Over the past few years, the interface of SprutCAM X has undergone gradual but significant improvements. The latest release boasts an updated interface with improved icons, optimized colors, and harmonious style. These seemingly small changes can greatly increase comfort and pleasure while working, reduce fatigue, and ultimately boost the efficiency of engineers. We hope you enjoy working with SprutCAM X.
Thank you, Philippe and Maria. It's no secret that the foundation of any CAM system lies in the machining strategies. In version 17, we introduced the numerous enhancements related to 3- and 5-axis milling, as well as optimization for industrial robots programming. Alex will tell you about what is under the hood.
The roughing waterline is one of the most commonly used roughing machining strategies. In the new version of SprutCAM X, we have completely re-engineered this operation, making it better in all aspects: speed, efficiency, and safety. For example, the calculation time for the operation has been reduced by 30%. The toolpath has become smoother, and the machining cycle time has been significantly reduced. The second improvement is the strategy for 3-axis machining of undercuts. Now you can easily use tools like Lollipop, Disc Tool, and Slot Tool to reach areas where it's impossible to remove material using the end mills. Working on multi-axis machines has become safer, thanks to intelligent control of tool approaches and retracts using TCPM mode and a local coordinate system. With the updated pick and placing function in SprutCAM X robot, users have precise control over the trajectory using node points. This opens up new possibilities for projects that combine pick and place with other technological operations, such as assembly and welding of structures. It even allows programming of robotic production lines. Improvement to the redundant axis optimizer allow for more effective utilization of the industrial robot's potential when working with the 4th and 6th axis. SprutCAM X traditionally offers two machining modes, simulation modes. Voxel simulation is performed very quickly, while solid simulation provides unparalleled accuracy and quality. Starting from version 17, solid simulation also works for multi-axis machining, which combined with the software's ability to work directly with G-code makes SprutCAM X one of the leading tools for the verifying in C programs. Now, I would like to introduce Rafael, our dealer from Spain.
Hello, my name is Rafael Escobar and I represent McData. Our company has been providing the SprutCAM X CAD/CAM system to the Spanish business since 2010. In my opinion, SprutCAM X is particularly effective for multi-axis milling. The latest version of SprutCAM X includes significant improvements in milling strategies such as smoother toolpath, fewer parameters, a new 3-axis undercut operation, an improved scallop toolpath, and many other features. With this enhancement, you can create even more impressive work of art, more easily and quickly than ever before. All you need is a robot cell or CNC machine equipped with the SprutCAM software. Now, back to Andrei. Andrei will tell you more.
Thank you, Rafael and Alex. In the modern, rapidly changing world of technology, where innovations constantly emerge, software developers and users are faced with the new features and increasingly complex equipment. The ability to quickly master these new technologies is a key factor for success. Let's listen to our dealer from the Emirates, who will announce a new application in the SprutCAM X ecosystem, addressing the challenges of system exploration and simplifying communication between suppliers and customers.
Welcome to Sharjah, UAE and the FlexiCAM company. We specialize in supplying equipment for machining parts made of wood, metal, and composites. In addition to our wide range of services such as user training, CAD/CAM implementation, and post-processor development, we are excited to announce the features in SprutCAM X version 17, the project library. The unique functionality allows resellers to upload machining projects to the cloud and share them with SprutCAM X users. This can help you adapt someone else's user experience for your tasks as well as search for projects with similar parts, CNC machines, or robots. As you work on a project, the system will automatically suggest similar projects, providing high-quality use examples for new and inexperienced users and reducing programming time by up to 50% for advanced users. And that's just the beginning. In the next stage of development, artificial intelligence will be incorporated into the project's library, bringing whole new level of automation to SprutCAM X. Ilnar will tell you more.
Thank you, Ashfaq. The main purpose of the new project library is to share your machining projects. With the help of these free applications, SprutCAM X dealer can upload their projects to the cloud and then grant access to a selected category of users, teammates, customers, or make them completely public for all SprutCAM X customers. By the way, in the future, users will also be able to share the best practices, and our AI assistant, Nancy, will help them in finding and adapting similar projects. Our machine maker application for creating digital twins of CNC machines and industrial robots has gained immense popularity among users. In the new 17th version of SprutCAM X, Machine Maker has received support for mill-turn and Swiss machines. And now you can create and verify a digital twin of any complexity. The simplifier feature allows for easy simplification of the 3D model of machine or robot by removing small elements that are not necessary for the simulation of machining, but make the digital twin heavy and slow. Additionally, artificial intelligence automates the process of finding and removing identical parts in the overall assembly. With the new simplifier feature, digital twins in SprutCAM X works faster than ever before. Now, back to Andrei.
SprutCAM X robot is highly demanded by manufacturers, suppliers, and integrators of robotic solutions all around the world. This year, we are taking another step to meet their demands. Our dealer from Turkey will share the details of our new offerings for suppliers and integrators of industrial robots. Now I pass the floor to Ahmet.
ABK Teknik is one of the top CAD/CAM distributors in Turkey. Our happy customers list includes industrial companies, academic institutions, as well as robot integrators. Why do robot integrators choose SprutCAM X robot? Because the software is technically superb and its vendor has a flexible commercial policy. The release of SprutCAM X 17 brings new licensing options, yearly subscription, which gives to the small and medium companies an opportunity to use the best-in-class software, and also something called single cell license, a special type of license available only to robot integrators. It costs 30% less than the standard license and has only one limitation. When programming industrial equipment, the user has to work within one cell. In Turkey, like in other countries, integrators are very sensitive to pricing. This is exactly why this new offer will let them design, create, and ship the turnkey robotic systems to their clients with minimal investment in the software. Now, back to Andrei.
Thank you, Ahmet and Ilnar. It's amazing how much we have achieved in the 17th version, but that's not all. SprutCAM X17 boasts one of the most significant updates in the parametric CAD module. Firstly, we have enhanced the interface and overall workflow for creating geometry. Secondly, through incremental updates to the components of the 3D model, we have improved performance and stability. Thirdly, we have developed a multitude of new 3D modeling operations, including fillet, chamfer, surface tilt, pattern, and Boolean operations. All of this combined with the new API and the one of the industry's first AI assistant, Nancy, opens up tremendous possibilities for the next generation of makers. Introducing the new SprutCAM X17. Thank you to all my colleagues who have shared information and impressions about the new version. Our team has worked diligently for the whole year to make this presentation possible. SprutCAM X17 will be available for ordering starting in September. To purchase the new software version or receive expert consultation, please contact the SprutCAM X dealer in your country. The request form is available on the SprutCAM.com website. For the users with an active annual support contract at the time of SprutCAM X17 release, the update will be delivered automatically. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.